5 reasons Bellwether is the #1 window replacement company in Denver, Fort Collins, Summit, and all of Colorado. Number 1 is expertise. We partner with Pellet and we deliver high quality, energy efficient products as well as expertise when it comes to knowing about what kind of windows are best for your home and how to install those windows in the best way to protect your home to help you maximize on the energy efficiency savings. Number 2 is local knowledge. From extreme temperature swings to high UV exposure, these are all factors to consider, and we have local knowledge when it comes to dealing with these issues. Customer satisfaction. Hey, our reviews speak for themselves. Look at our independent third-party surveying company, Guild Quality. Look us up there and see what homeowners are saying about us. We have tons of 5-star reviews for professionalism, for quality, for customer satisfaction. Precision installation. Our expert team ensures high quality installation, proper fit and installation, and we're going to install everything in a way that is going to direct water away from your home. It's going to improve the energy efficiency of your home. You're going to end up with a high quality finished product. Your home is going to be beautiful and protected. Comprehensive service, from design consultations to the various meetings we do throughout the process to walking you through a final walkthrough at the end. Our goal is your satisfaction. You're going to get comprehensive service working with Bellwether. Essentially, you're going to get what you pay for.